Top 5 apps like Pandabuy reviews that actually work today. Pandabuy is popular for sourcing products from China, but most people get this wrong by assuming all services are reliable. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide verified purchasing, shipping and tracking. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Superbi offers personal shopping with verified quality checks. Users love clear photos and secure shipping. Second, Kspi focuses on international shopping with package consolidation. Customers highlight real-time updates and verified inspections. Third, Basita provides affordable agent services and verified sellers. Users report smooth ordering and trustworthy delivery. Fourth, Biner combines multiple shopping platforms for verified purchases. App users appreciate secure payment options. Finally, Yoibi offers expert agent services and verified product handling. Users value transparent fees and prompt support. Pro tip: always check reviews, shipping policies, and quality inspection services. This ensures safe, smooth international shopping. These 5 apps let you buy from China confidently while avoiding fraud and delays.